today's video. Guess what? Of late, I have been receiving so many emails asking for a remedy. And guess what the remedy is? They're asking for a remedy to lift and firm the butt. Now, I was doing some research and I noticed that women have been doing a lot of crazy things to elevate that part of their body. They have been wearing pads like booty pads. They have been going under the knife. They have been plumping and putting stuff in, and basically just a wide variety of things. And I'm thinking that's how desperate people are to have that hair looking a little rounder and firmer. Guess what? If you are having that problem, before you do all of that crazy stuff, try this wonderful homemade remedy. This is a two-step system that you're going to use on a regular, and it definitely going to help you with a few squatting, of course, to get a little firmer, a little tighter, and a little rounder butt. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Our first ingredient is brown sugar, and brown sugar is loaded with antioxidants that are great for the skin. Brown sugar is a wonderful exfoliator that will get rid of the dead skin cells, the dirt, the grease from your skin, just leaving you with healthy, firm looking skin. Now, a wonderful thing about this brown sugar for firming the butt is that when you apply the brown sugar in circular motion, it's going to help to increase the blood flow, and with blood flow come plumper, firmer looking skin. Our next ingredient is carrots, and these are fresh carrots. Carrots contain an ingredient called beta-carotene, and this helps with wrinkles. This helps with sagging skin. This will help to firm your skin. Now, carrots also will help to boost that collagen production, because what happened when the skin started to get wrinkles and starting to sag, it is losing the elasticity in the skin. Therefore, when you apply carrots to the skin, it's going to help to firm the skin. Applying carrot to your butt is going to help to tighten it. It's going to help to firm it. And with regular use of carrot, applying it in a circular motion is going to help to lift and firm. Our next ingredient is orange peel, and this is dried orange peel. Now, orange peel contains orange oil, which is great for tightening and firming the skin. Now, using orange peel on your butt is not only going to have it clear, it's going to also get rid of all that grease in the ear follicles. If you have butt acne, this is going to take care of it. Now, when I mix this orange peel with the other ingredient, it's going to create a very powerful scrub that once you use it on a regular, is going to help to get rid of all that dead skin cell. It's going to have your butt really smooth, but the best thing of all is that it's going to lift and firm and tighten the butt. Our final ingredient is olive oil or coconut oil. Use whichever one you have or whichever one you prefer. Both these oils are very moisturizing and nourishing to the skin, and when used with the other ingredients, is going to play a great role in plumping and firming the skin. So the first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blending the orange peel. Now, making dry orange peel is pretty easy. Peel your orange, put the peel in a paper bag, leave it there for a week or two, and then you have dry orange peel. And in order to have your powder, you're going to do just this step that I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to be blending the dry orange peel. And for the orange peel, you can choose to blend a large amount, put it in an airtight container, keep it in your refrigerator for about 6 months, and it's good to go. And here we have our blended orange peel. So next we're going to move on to our carrots, and we're going to wash and grate these carrots. You really don't have to peel, just wash properly. Now you can also choose to blend the carrots. Personally, I just like to grate them. Now because I'm using the carrot in a scrub, I like the effect of the grated carrot instead of blending. When you blend the carrot, it's too liquefied, so I prefer to grate. If you want to make more of this scrub, just double up on the ingredients. And here we have our grated carrots. So now that I have the ingredients ready for step 1, we're going to put this scrub together real fast. I'm going to be using about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm using a 1/4 cup of carrots. We're just pouring this in. And for our orange peel, I'm using about 3 tablespoons of orange peel. And I have just the amount. So we have a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of carrots, and 3 tablespoons of our orange peel. So now we're gonna just blend this together before we add the oil to it. Just blend, mix well. And this is really and truly a wonderful scrub, guys. If you're not looking to tighten and firm your butt, you can also use this scrub all over your body. It's gonna do wonders for your skin. If you have sagging arms and stuff like that, just apply this scrub in circular motion and you're gonna get just great result from this butt scrub. So now that we have all of this mixed together and take a look at it, this is what it looks like up close. Now we're gonna add the oil to this. Now you're gonna use your discretion when adding the oil. Let me measure for you to see. I'm gonna start out with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So add a little at a time. And then I'm gonna mix this in. And if it's too dry, then I'll add some more. But take your time and work the oil in the scrub. Do not pour too much to begin with. You don't want it to be too oily, but you don't want it to be too dry. You want it to just be spreadable, okay? So now I'm going to add another tablespoon, and the 3 tablespoons of olive oil is good. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. This is really good. Really, really, really a wonderful scrub. As I said before, if you are not looking to tighten your butt, this is a wonderful body scrub. And now step 1 is ready, and step 1 is your carrot, orange, brown sugar butt scrub. Really nice. Moving on to step 2, which is going to be our butt oil. The first and main ingredient in this is fish oil. And fish oil is known to help to ward off aging. Fish oil is great for tightening and firming the skin. Now, when you apply fish oil, it's going to penetrate deeply in the skin. It's going to cause the skin to plump up by boosting the collagen production. It's going to tighten and firm the skin, and it's also going to hydrate the skin, causing your skin to be just firm and supple. If you do not have fish oil, go ahead and use some cod liver oil. The next ingredient is vitamin E oil, and this is also another wonderful oil for tightening and firming the skin and for getting rid of wrinkles. Our next ingredient is grapeseed oil, and grapeseed oil, believe it or not, is loaded with vitamin E oil. Grapeseed oil is a very light oil, therefore it's not going to clog your pores, and it's going to create a easy application to the butt. Our next oil is castor oil, and this is black castor oil, which is known to help to firm and tighten the skin also. So I'm gonna mix all these wonderful goodness together to create a awesome butt oil that is gonna also help to lift and firm and tighten the butt. Now this oil is gonna have a long shelf life, so if you want, you can double up on the ingredient. Okay, so I'm gonna use a 1/2 teaspoon of castor oil. If you don't have black castor oil, not to worry, don't feel left out. Go ahead and use the one you have. I'm using 1 tablespoon of our grapeseed oil. And for our vitamin E oil, depending on the vitamin E oil you have, just use your discretion in this. My vitamin E oil is 28,000 IU, and I'm just gonna fill the dropper and using it. If you have less, use at least a teaspoon in this recipe. Let's say you have 500 IU. And for our fish oil, I'm using about 4 capsules. And here are the empty shells. So now we have all the ingredients together. We're gonna mix, and we're gonna mix well. Make sure to blend well, since the fish oil and the vitamin E oil is a bit on the thicker side. Also the castor oil. The lightest oil here is the grapeseed oil. So you're gonna just blend this together. When you're done, it's more gonna look like a serum, okay? And here you have it, your second step. And this is your leave-on. This is your butt oil that you're going to use on your butt every day. And as I said, you could keep this on your countertop. No need to put this in the refrigerator. This could last you up to 6 months out. Now, for your scrub, you're going to keep your scrub in the refrigerator, okay? So just make enough for 1 week. And this can use 3 times, so this is good for a week. Have step 1 and this is step 2. Now I'm going to show you how to use this. To use your scrub, you're gonna go in your shower, preferably in the shower, and you're gonna wet your skin with warm water, and then you're gonna take a generous amount of your scrub and you're gonna put it in your hands and you're gonna exfoliate your butt like this in circular motion. This is the bottom of the butt. Go up with it with the scrub, up from the bottom all the way, like you're lifting the butt, okay? So just exfoliate your butt, circular motion with a little bit of a lift, and you're gonna do this over your entire butt, both sides, right? Now once you're done with this, and if you're in the mood, just use this on your entire body for firm, tight skin also. I use this all over my body. You have nothing to lose. Just exfoliate and take a look at this. See, it's really a wonderful scrub. When you're done, you're gonna now rinse this off with some cold water, closing back up those pores. Once you rinse off, you step out of the shower, you're not gonna completely dry the skin. So you're gonna just pat dry the butt, just pat dry, and you're gonna reach for your oil. So you're gonna take a little bit of your butt oil, just a little, not a lot, and you are gonna massage this on the skin. Completely, totally massage the skin, lifting while you're massaging, lifting, lifting, lifting. And you're gonna do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once you're done with that, you are good to go. Now you're gonna continue to use this treatment. However, if you do this at least 3 times a week with your scrub, this you use every day. You could use this morning and evening. The scrub you use at least 2 to 3 times a week. You do some squatting along with these two. In no time, you are on your way to a more firmer, a more rounder, and a more lifted butt, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was your first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.